today I'll be doing a bridal robe using my brand new Hoopmaster Mighty Hoop 8 by 13 magnetic hoop. It is the largest size for my embroidery machine, the PR 1055X, and you'll get to see me add the bride's name and the date of her wedding onto the back of this robe. Stay tuned. I was able to get the station, the Mighty Hoop station, and this helps greatly with all projects of all different sizes. So here I'm going to be attaching the stabilizer to the magnets here so that it's going to be a breeze to then go ahead and put the robe on. The cool thing about the magnetic hoop is that you don't have to fuss or fight with the placement of the hoop. You're able to easily just throw the garment on, and you see it's a very nice quality robe. Just making sure that I get the center. And then take the magnetic hoop and snap into place. Just as easy as that. Then we're going to be able to take it straight over to the embroidery machine, and I'm going to switch the view and you'll get to see directly onto the bed of the machine as it stitches the project.